On the 1st of February 2007, an ice storm was forecast for Athens, Georgia. This is the story of those who survived. Ice storm. I'll summarize best I can. Milk and bread were disappearing quickly. Even the vegetarians were frightened. There were warnings, and they looked like this, but who could believe this guy?
And later tonight, this sunlight will be gone, and this fountain will be frozen to ice.
Seriously.
These children have no clue as to what lies in store for them. Ooh, that's cold.
Ice storm. Only the scientists knew what was in store.
And in less than 5 hours, the ice storm's coming.
They planted matches in the most strategic locations.
That rock.
But with the wind and the cold, the matches would not light. It was infuriating.
No.
With so little time, panic set in.
It's just not working! So cold!
Some were prepared. Across campus, one student who was especially prone to slipping on ice was caught unawares.
Fountain, it's frozen!
Though it was an inanimate object, and he was not, they quickly became friends.
Fountain. My dear Fountain. Why is the ice taking you from me? Oh, for my fountain. Fountain. Fountain and ice, damn you ice.
Meanwhile, others were taking pleasure in the discomfort of others.
The water is so cold already the fish are hardly moving. Soon this entire pond will be frozen.
Rumors spread fast.
I heard that if you rub a lemon on your skin, it keeps you warm. So I stocked up. I figure if I rub myself down, I'll be all right. Hey, what's up?
What's up? Exactly.
No! No! Not the ice! The ice! I must go warn people. The ice storm is coming.
Ice storm, ice storm, ice storm, ice storm.
Ice storm, Bernard! You have to move. You have to believe in yourself. You have to know there's a world out there away from the ice. It's already taken the fountain. You have to get out of here. You don't want to be frozen to this bench forever. The ice storm! Love you, flowers! I'll never let go of your memory. I will avenge you from the ice.
Ice storm. The writing was on the wall. There was panic in the streets. And on the grass. Even animals were acting strange, looking to the sky in apprehension, as if to take flight. And to think, just the day before...
And I hope the ice storm doesn't come.
Not even a wish could stop the subsequent destruction or musical inspiration.
I said an ice storm is a-coming, the winds are blowing so hard. The empty bread shelves of the Kroger, they seem so far away. I searched my closet for my warm jeans, wool socks, and a sweatshirt. So it'll hide my fear of ice storms from the folks in the foyer. I got my lemon, squeezed the juices, covered me from head to toe. I found some matches on the campus in case I get real cold. Cause I heard an ice storm was coming. I see the winds blowing so
God, this ice storm is bullshit! The sun is out!